Hello everyone, today I will show you how to enable super dark mode on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Open the settings app. Start by going to your settings app, which is the gear icon on your home screen. Once you are in, scroll down to find the accessibility option. Navigate to display and text size. Tap on accessibility and within this section, find and select display and text size. Keep scrolling down to the very bottom of the menu. Enable reduce white point. At the bottom, you will see the reduce white point option. This is the key to unlocking super dark mode. Toggle the switch to turn it on. Adjust the darkness. Below the switch, you will find a slider that allows you to control the darkness level. Slide it to the right for a super dark screen or adjust it to the left for a lighter shade. Find the level of darkness that suits you best. Exit settings and enjoy. Once you are happy with your settings, exit the settings app and return to your home screen. In dimly lit conditions, your iPhone screen will now provide a soothing, eye-friendly glow without causing strain. And that is everything you need to know about how to enable super dark mode on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.